There's something mystical about being able to destroy your enemy without anyone seeing or hearing you, and they won't even know where the shot came from. Such a feeling of absolute power is given by the sniper rifle, the elite of small arms. Being originated in the 19th century, it's come a long way, and today's rifles equipped with state-of-the-art optics, laser designators, and ballistic calculators are as different from their ancestors as the Wright brothers aircraft is from the F-22 stealth fighter. Originally, sniper rifles were designed to use standard caliber ammunition, but with the development of protective equipment and the mass introduction of body armor as an army outfit, the effectiveness of such weapons decreased dramatically. New, more powerful rifles were required. The arms of armies of several countries in the late 20th century were equipped with sniper weapons designed for large caliber cartridges, different from standard rifle cartridges. The rifles are produced in several countries. Let's make a brief rating of these monsters capable of fighting not only with enemy manpower, but also with lightly armored vehicles. In the 10th place of our rating, we place the American STIC M200 intervention sniper rifle. Why is this cool rifle only in 10th place? It's all about the caliber, only 10.3 millimeter. Compared to the monsters we'll talk about next, this is, shall we say, a lightweight category? But this weapon was specially designed to defeat enemy manpower, and a human being doesn't need a bigger caliber. But the distinctive feature of the STIC M200 intervention is its high accuracy at long distances. This rifle is very effective against point-and-shoot targets at 2,000 meters range, thanks to the special shape of the bullet, wind calculator, and wind temperature and air pressure sensors, and guaranteed no more than 1 or minute dispersion. The STIC M200 intervention has a manually operated rotary bolt action. No open sights are provided with this rifle. Standard Picatinny rail is used to mount the optics. Standard scope used with this rifle is a Night Force NXS 5.5 by 22x scope. Sight can be complemented with the AN-PVS-14 night vision module and AN-PEQ-2 infrared laser to illuminate targets. Ammunition is fed from detachable 7-round magazines. The weight of the rifle without a telescope sight is 12.3 kilograms. Low recoil, excellent sighting range, and high rate of fire made this rifle a favorite weapon of the U.S. military. The 9th place in our ranking is occupied by the Hungarian Gepard M1 rifle. It was developed under the communist system and was adopted for service in 1990. The design is more reminiscent of a World War II anti-tank rifle than a 20th century weapon. However, it's more accurate and powerful than many sniper rifles. It's equipped with 12x magnification optics. Gepard M1 was designed to fire Soviet 12.7mm cartridges. It weighs 18 kilograms, has a 2-kilometer aiming range, and 5 or 10 rounds magazine capacity. 8th place is held by the American Barrett M82A1 rifle, developed back in 1989. This is a large caliber sniper rifle manufactured by a company called Barrett Firearms. Among the soldiers, it's known as Light 50 as it uses 12.7 by 99mm NATO cartridges, officially referred to as 50 BMG in U.S. Armed Forces records. The main purpose of this large caliber rifle was to defeat unarmored and lightly armored vehicles, as well as to defeat enemy radar antennas and detonate ammunition and mines from a safe distance. The Barrett M82 has an effective range of 2,600 meters. The weapon uses a 10-round magazine and weighs 13.5 kilograms. Barrett M82 rifles can be used with standard mechanical ring and telescopic sights, as well as with removable optical sights. The U.S. military prefers the LEUPOLD Mark IV. The weapon has a Picatinny bar and built-in telescopic sights made by U.S. Optics. 7th place in our ranking belongs to a British rifle, Accuracy International AS-50, with the same caliber 12.7mm, created in 2005. This rifle was baptized by Soviet troops during the invasion of Iraq in 2003. It weighs 14.1 kilograms with no magazine and no telescope sight. The effective range is 1,828 meters. The magazine capacity is 5 rounds. The S-50 rifle was designed for British War Office and was intended to be a compact, lightweight weapon for authorized military units. The S-50 rifle is very fast. A professional shooter can fire 5 rounds in 1.5 seconds. It's in service in the UK, USA, Ireland, Turkey, Cyprus, and Hong Kong. 6th place is occupied by the Austrian Steyr HS-50 rifle. It's currently considered the longest-range sniper rifle. Austrian gunsmiths managed to achieve previously unprecedented accuracy. At the 100-meter distance, bullets are placed into a circle with a diameter of 1.5 centimeters. Thanks to an outstanding performance, the Steyr HS-50 rifle has a sighting range of 2.4 kilometers. This rifle, developed in 2004, is purchased by more than 10 countries. The weight of the weapon is 12.5 kilograms. Caliber is 12.7 millimeters for NATO or Austrian 11.6 millimeter cartridges. Fifth place in the ranking is the Swiss OM50 Nemesis rifle, created in 2001. Most of the world's experts give it the palm of the highest rating among the big caliber sniper rifles. This is due to its superior accuracy, ease of use, unpretentiousness, and low weight. But still, we'll put on our first place among rifles of 12.7 millimeter caliber, another model. With a little patience, and we'll tell you about it. For now, a few more words about the Nemesis. It includes several spare barrels of different lengths for target shooting at different distances. It can be changed in less than 2 minutes. It's used by police special forces in several European countries. The weight of the rifle is 10 kilograms and has an effective range of up to 2 kilometers. On the fourth place, or the first among 12.7 millimeter caliber rifles, we'll put the L11 5A3 long-range rifle, produced by the already known to us British company Accuracy International. The L11 5A3 long-range rifle is a long-range bolt-action rifle chambered for .338 LAPUA MAGNUM ammunition. It's equipped with Schmidt & Bender's 525 by 56 PM 2-day sight with variable 5 to 25x magnification and sniper thermal imaging capability, STIC. First adopted by the 16th Airborne Assault Brigade in Helmand in 2008. So why the first place among 12.7 millimeter sniper rifles? It was used by British Army sniper Craig Harrison in 2009 to kill 2 Taliban machine gunners at a distance of 2,745 meters. According to calculations, the bullets flew for 6.017 seconds, and during that time, the vertical deflection was about 120 meters. That is, if the sniper was at the same height as the targets, he would have to aim 120 meters higher. Third place went to the Austrian gunsmiths with their Steyr AMR IWS 2000 rifle, developed in the mid-1980s. The feature of this rifle is its ammunition, which includes a special subcaliber needlepoint bullet capable of penetrating a 40mm armor plate from a distance of 1 kilometer. The rifle has a rare caliber of 15.2 millimeters. Its weight is 18 kilograms, and the range is up to 2.5 kilometers with 5 rounds magazine. Second place is held by the South African Trevelo SR rifle. This monster has several modifications with different barrels and ammunition, including a 20mm Mauser anti-aircraft round. The Trevelo SR has several weaknesses, such as high weight and insufficient accuracy for shooting at live targets. Mass is 16 kilograms, accuracy is 1.5 kilometers, 5-shot magazine is used. And finally, first place, South African Magnification NTW-20 rifle, created in 1998 by Aerotech. This is a real monster with a weight of 26 kilograms and a caliber of 20 millimeters. The Magnification NTW-20 is capable of engaging lightly armored enemy vehicles. This rifle confidently takes the armor of BMPs and APCs and can disable aircraft at an airfield. The aiming range is 1,500 meters. Those figures bring the rifle closer to light artillery than to small arms. It also features a second barrel designed to fire 14.5 by 114mm ammunition with armor-piercing and armor-piercing tracer bullets. In this case, the range of fire is 2,300 meters. Of course, our top 10 of the most powerful sniper rifles in the world are not a benchmark. We left out many interesting models, such as the Russian 12.7mm OSV-96 Zlomschik rifle used by Putin's security units, or the American M2010 rifle with a phenomenal accuracy of 1 arc minute. And then there's the Russian Sumrak, which was used to set a world record for sight range, 4,210 meters. But data on this rifle is strictly classified, and it's not clear whether it's a single specimen or a rifle adopted for service. So if you don't agree with our top 10, write in your comments what sniper rifles you'd like to hear about. And if there are quite a few such wishes, we'll be happy to tell you about them. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel as there'll be many more interesting videos about modern weapons.